Exercise 4.3, question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Given equation is F is equal to 9 upon 5C plus 32. So draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So first of all, we find value of, let C is equal to 5. We take value of C in multiple of 5 because denominator, this is 9 upon 5. So cancellation is easily possible. So F is equal to 9 upon 5 multiplied by 5 plus 32. 5 and 5 cancelled. 9 plus 32 is equal to 41. So when Celsius, and this is Fahrenheit, when Celsius is 5, Fahrenheit temperature is 41. Let C is equal to 0. So F is equal to 9 upon 5 multiplied by 0 plus 32. That is 0 plus 32. So answer is 32. When C is equal to 0, F is 32. Now your homework is draw graph of this equation by taking Celsius on x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis. On x-axis Celsius and on y-axis Fahrenheit. Draw the graph of this equation. Now the second part of the question is, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? In second part, when C is equal to 30. So F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. So C is equal to 30 means 9 upon 5 multiplied by 30 plus 32. So 5 6 are 54 plus 32. Answer is 86. Temperature in Fahrenheit is 86. In third part, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is temperature in Celsius? Means F is equal to 95. So in equation, F is equal to 9 upon 5C plus 32. F is 95 is equal to 9 upon 5C plus 32. So 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 upon 5C. 63 is equal to 9 upon 5C. So C is equal to 63 multiplied by 5 upon 9. So C is equal to 35. So when temperature in Fahrenheit is 95, temperature in Celsius it is 35 degree Celsius. Fourth part of the question is, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So in fourth part, equation is F is equal to 9 upon 5C plus 32. So when C is equal to 0, plus 32. 0 plus 32, that is 32. Means when C is equal to 0, F is equal to 32. In second case, when F is equal to 0, means 0 is equal to 9 upon 5C plus 32. This is when F is equal to 0. So minus 9 upon 5C is equal to 32, or C is equal to 32 multiplied by minus 5 upon 9. This is a linear equation. So minus 160 upon 9. Fifth part of the question is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. Let x degree Celsius is equal to x degree Fahrenheit. Here both the temperature degree Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal. So given equation is F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. So x is equal to 9 upon 5 x plus 32. So x minus 9 upon 5x is equal to 32. 5 is LCM, so 5x minus 9x is equal to 32. That is minus 4 upon 5x is equal to 32. So x is 32 multiplied by minus 5 upon 4. 4 8s are. So x is equal to minus 40. Therefore, for 40 degree Celsius is equal to, minus 40 degree Celsius is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit.